Hello guys, in my last video I discussed about the area of square, rectangle and circle. I solved some questions as well. So today I am taking one more example. So it has been given there is a circular park, and inside the circular park at the periphery there is a running track which is 7 meter wide. This is a running track which is 7 meter wide, and we have to find out the area of this running track. So in order to find out, from here we can see, if we find out the area of the outer circle, and from outer circle if we subtract the area of the inner circle, then we are left with the area of the running track. So let's assume we will start it now. So let's assume the radius of the outer circle is r and radius of the inner circle is r1. So we know area of circle is pi r square and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So we had been given the circumference of the outer circle, so whose radius is r. So we'll write circumference of outer circle with radius r is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 220. It is given. From here we have to find out the value of the r. So we'll proceed further. From here r is equal to 220 oblique, this will come, when go on the other side it will come on the denominator. We'll substitute the value. 2 pi value is 22 oblique 7, 7 comes here, we will cross multiply, this is 5, so it will become, the value is 35 meter. So we know the value of the r is now 35 meters here. So we know OA, O to A, that is the radius of the outer circle, that is 35 meters. OA is equal to 35 meter. We know AV is equal to 7 meter, this width of the running track. So AV is equal to 7 meter. So how much OV will be? If we subtract value of AV from OA, means from the outer circle radius, if we subtract the width of the running track, we'll come to know the radius of the inner circle. That is OB is equal to OA minus AV. OB is equal to OA minus AV. So this is 35 minus 7 is equal to 28 meter. Means value of the R, this is the value of the R1. R1 is 28 meters and R is 35 meters. So this is 28 meters. So in order to get the value of the running track, area of the running track, we have to subtract the area of the inner circle from the area of the outer circle. So now area of track is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So we will substitute value. Area we know pi r square. This is pi r square minus this is pi r1 square, because inner circle the radius is r1. So we'll substitute the value here now. This is pi. R is 35 minus pi. R1 is 28. We'll take pi common. We'll substitute the value. It is 35 square minus 28 square. This is 22/7. 35 multiplied by 35 is 1225, and 28 multiplied by 28 is 784. If we subtract this, now solve it. This is 1, 441. So the 22/7 into 441. This 63, and 63 multiplied by 22. We'll multiply this and we'll get the value of this is 386 meters square is the area of the track. So in this way we can calculate the area of the running track, and if we have to find out the circumference of the inner circle, then also we know the radius R1, we know the value is 28, and we have to apply in the formula 2 pi r, and we can find out the circumference of the inner circle also. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can see more videos. Thank you.